Welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. General Santino Denwall, the Chief of Defense Forces of the South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF, has spoken about the security situation in Upper Nile region. General Santino Deng believed that many years of violence and conflict have slowed development in the Upper Nile. According to him, insecurity has affected many important services that people depend on every day. According to the General made these remarks during a meeting at the SSPDF headquarters in Bilpam. General Santino Denwall met with South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF officers from the Nuer community in Upper Nile region. During the meeting, they discussed the security situation and the need to restore peace across the region. General Santino Deng explained that Upper Nile has remained behind many other parts of South Sudan because fighting has continued for many years. He said development cannot move forward when people are living in fear. When there is conflict, a road cannot be built, school cannot operate normally, hospital struggle to serve communities, business cannot grow, farmers cannot work safely on their land, families cannot return to their home. According to the general, all these problems are connected to insecurity. He stated that peace is the key to development. Without peace, it becomes very difficult for both the government and humanitarian organizations to provide basic services. Many communities continue to suffer because violence interrupts normal life. The general encouraged the people of Upper Nile to think about the future of their region. He said, every community has an important role in creating peace. Instead of allowing conflict to continue, people should work together to solve disagreement peacefully. He reminded everyone that lasting peace creates opportunities. When peace exists, investors become more willing to start businesses. Schools remain open, children continue their education, elder workers can provide medical care, road construction projects can continue, market become active again, communities began rebuilding their life. So General Santino Deng said the future of Upper Nile depends mainly on its own people. He encouraged citizens not to destroy what belongs to them. Instead, they should protect their communities and help create a peaceful environment where everyone can live safely. Peace is not only the absence of fighting. Peace also allows people to improve their life. In many countries around the world, development becomes possible only after security improved. So, if the government of South Sudan want Upper Nile region to move forward, the government should allow others to live peacefully by providing adequate security to those who are in need. In many countries around the world, development becomes possible when people serve. They can invest in farming. They can open business. Children attend school every day. Elder workers reach remote villages. Government services become easier to provide. Development and peace usually move together. One cannot grow properly without the others. This is one of the main messages General Santino shared during his meeting. He believed that Upper Nile has the potentials to develop if security is reduced. During his speech, General Santino also asked the officer to become ambassador of peace. An ambassador of peace is someone who encourages understanding instead of violence. General Santino encouraged the Nuer politicians and their officers who are working with SSPDF. Instead of chasing their people away, they should be able to encourage them to understand that development only comes when there is unity. General Santino Deng is encouraging the newer officer to stop displacing their very own people in Upper region. It is important we help solve problem through dialogue instead of fighting. The general urged military officer to work closely with traditional leader, religious leader, youth leader, women's and local authorities without inciting violence against their very own community. According to General Santino, he said peace cannot be achieved by soldier alone. Peace cannot be achieved by fighting over positions. Every part of society has an important responsibility. According to him, communities become stronger when people cooperate instead of competing against each other. Building trust between communities also help reduce misunderstanding that can sometimes lead to violence. General Santino Deng reminded the South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF officers about their professional responsibility. He encouraged the SSPDF officer in Nuer community to remain disciplined. He asked them to stay united. He also reminded them to respect the Constitution while carrying out their duties. He reminded them that they should not target Nuer communities because they are their own communities. They are there to protect them. They are not there to kill them. Discipline is important in every military organization. According to him, professional conduct helps build public confidence. When security forces work responsibly, communities are more likely to cooperate with them. The general also encouraged officers to maintain good relationship with local communities. By listening to them, this cooperation can help improve communication whenever security problems arise. After listening to the Chief of Defense Force, the officer from the Nuer welcomed General Santino Deng's message. They expressed their support for effort to improve security in Upper region. They also say they remain committed to promoting unity, peace, and stability. The officer agreed that cooperation between communities and security institutions is important for reducing violence. They say lasting peace will benefit everyone living in the region. Let's look at the bigger picture. Upper Nile has experienced a different security challenge over the year. Many families have been affected by conflict. Some people have been displaced from their homes. Others have lost access to school, hospital, and other important services. Development projects have also faced delay because insecurity makes construction and public services more difficult. Although many efforts have been made to improve stability, challenges still remain in some areas. Many citizens continue hoping for lasting peace so that normal life can fully return. Many people will now work closely to see whether peace efforts continue. Communities, government officials, traditional leaders, religious leaders, or religious organizations, youth group, women, and security institutions all have important role to play. If peace improved, more development projects may move forward. Families who were forced to leave their home could eventually return. The school may continue operating without interruption. Healthcare services could reach more communities. Road construction and other infrastructure projects may also expand. This improvement, however, depends greatly on whether security conditions continue to improve over time. Only time will show how the situation development. That brings us to the end of our first story. If you are new here, let's meet on the next report. Bye-bye.